Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. As I am filming a series of the 12 days of Christmas, I will be sharing with you the number four for today. So excited to share all of the projects that Brigitta made for me, and I will put down the link down to her channel as well, and as well to what she made for me, and explaining it all in detail. And such a super cute number. uh, Let me see, yeah, I'm number 4 here. This is such a cute element, loving this one, and that's such a super surprise bonus. I just love that. So let me see if I can untangle this the right way so I can keep everything together. And as I said, I should grab some scissors, but I totally forgot again. So let's see if I can open her up like this maybe. So excited. This is such a joy, and it's such fun to think of projects to create for each other, and also more fun to package it all up as a surprise, and of course to see the videos. So this is back. Really? Oh, this is my very first beautiful sort of chewing gum ball machine project that I have received, and it looks so cute. And I do believe that is it working? I'm not sure, but I do see this element does work. So maybe they can be pushed out, some of them, because I see some balls in there, beads. But let me put her here so you can see beautiful bling element there, and the sides, loving the bows that you created. And of course these are so beautiful, so cute. I don't have another word for that, because they're so tiny and such a fun element. I will also make and post some detailed photos as well in this video again. And it says, believe in the magic. Let me see if I can, is it supposed to be like this? Yeah, I can open her up. And there are some elements that are pushed inside of here, which I can take them out. Yes, they do shake out. I believe maybe some of them are stuck in there, but no worries. They're all out. There's nothing there anymore. And these are the elements, the first elements that I want to share with you. Of course, I'll make some detailed photos, but you can see here beautiful sort of dimensional bowls there. A snowman, a Christmas tree, which you can totally ink up with your alcohol markers. A beautiful load of balls there, pom-poms. This one, these charms, and this one as well. And then a lot of those where you can use to sort of stack up. If you have another one, just a teeny tiny smaller one, you can stack them all up and create, as you can see, like this. You can create a sort of a snowman there. But I just absolutely love, love, love all these elements. Just quickly put them on top of here. I do not have any of these, so I'm super happy to have received some of these beautiful dangles from you, Brigitta. This one is the same, so I'll leave it there. Such a cute and beautiful series there. Thank you so much for today's gift, goodies, and of course presentation in a gumball machine. I just love it. Thank you so much for, again, all of you for joining us, for joining me today, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.